Yo, what's good? How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, because it's Saturday, we're talking about supplements. We're talking about the #1 supplement that you can use to help you lose weight. And in my opinion, your main focus should be on, calories in, calories out. Make sure your nutrition is good. Make sure that you're getting X amount of steps, you're getting the right amount of sleep, and that you are performing and working towards building muscle at least 3 days per week. And that is like the perfect formula. Obviously, there has to be some adjustment based on who you are and your lifestyle. But those are the reasonable suggestions for anyone getting started. Look to burn more calories than you consume, but make sure that you are consuming an adequate amount of calories too, so that you're nourishing your body and building towards muscle. Now, that one supplement that I believe has a massive impact on your body transformation, or literally burning belly fat, burning fat, excess fat all over your body, is a protein powder. Okay, the protein powder literally just helps you get more protein in. If you can get more protein in through eating more protein-based foods, and more like animal protein, because it's a very lean source of protein, no carbs, not a lot of fat, depending on the ratio that you buy the meat in. And so that gives you more protein, which will not only satiate you more, so you're less likely to overeat on things like carbohydrates or just food in general. It is more thermogenic, meaning that your body has to heat up to a higher temperature to break down meat, which in return will burn some calories. However, that is a lot more minuscule as far as a short-term effect, but long-term that does add up to a couple pounds. Those are two things. And the last thing is that it helps you support muscle. And during the process of being a personal trainer and working on myself, I know that when I built and had a mindset of working towards building muscle versus the mindset of working to lose excess fat, I've noticed that my clients would lose more body fat that way, right? Because you can lose weight by doing cardio and having a caloric deficit and burning more energy than you are consuming, right? And that is a great way to lose weight. However, right, for body composition, so that when you look at a muscle like your arm muscle, your chest muscle, any muscle that you like, hey, I really want to, a lot of people have that arm fat that they want to, get rid of. And instead of thinking about, let me burn this fat off, think about bettering the composition. So yes, there might be some body fat, right? But right now my body fat percentage is higher than my muscle percentage in this particular area, which is my tricep. So what I need to do is increase the muscle portion of this particular muscle. So the body is comprised, or this particular muscle is comprised of fat and muscle. And right now, if you have a little extra skin, you have more fat than you have muscle typically. So the idea is, instead of doing calories and lowering your caloric deficit to get rid of the fat, think about building muscle in that area, and that would be a more effective way of getting rid of any fat on any part of your body that you want to get rid of. So for this instance, if you want less fat here, yes, burning fat, lowering your calories, having a greater calorie expenditure versus the calories that you consume will work greatly. However, I believe when you start working towards muscle, it's the yin and the yang, right? It's the synergistic effect that you get that will give you the body composition. You don't just want weight loss or fat loss. Yes, that's a part of it, but you also want to build muscles so that when you want to look your best or go out in your nice outfit, when you go out in your swimming attire to go to the beach or go to a pool party, or if you're in your birthday suit, whatever you are doing to reveal or to show off your features, your aesthetics, your cuts, you want to make sure that the muscle is there, and that will give you that effect. So this long video, in short, is protein powder. Protein powder is going to help you when you're building towards muscle, because it's the only thing that we know helps repair the muscle and so that it can grow. So protein powder is going to be your friend, so that you're getting an efficient amount of protein, especially for those who don't want to eat a lot of animal-based proteins, right? So that is my answer. It's protein powder is what you want to use to get your protein up, to get you more satiated, to help rebuild your muscle and actually build muscle in the place that you have fat, and to, because it's more thermogenic when you have protein, like when eating food protein, like when eating meat, that is more thermogenic. When it's already broken down and it's very absorbable, your body doesn't have to work as hard, so it's not going to raise your temperature that much. So eating more protein foods, but a protein shake will help with satiation and will help with building muscle. So those are two massive benefits if you're looking for supplements to help you burn the excess belly fat, arm fat, and just fat in general over your body. So I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment below what protein powders are you using right now. Like, what's your go-to protein powder? Something that works very well for you. And then have you experienced the satiation? So when you're hungry and on the verge of like binging on something that you're craving, have you experienced drinking a protein shake and your craving going away? Let me know in the comments below, because most of my clients have. I have. And do you find yourself to be able to build more muscle more effectively when you're upping your protein or having a more adequate amount of protein? Because my clients and myself are experiencing that too as well. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.